Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a TXT code on your website. A TXT code can be a TXT record file, a TXT ads.txt from Google AdSense like this. They say that you should verify your account using ads.txt snippet method. So their own is to let you copy and paste this code into the TXT section of your website. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do this. And if you go to Google console, where you can use to track the activity of your website, they will ask you to verify your domain name via DNS record, that is domain name server record. I wanted to verify this domain, domain.fastnumber.com, so that I can track the traffic that comes to it every day, keyword that people are typing on their web browser to find this website. I want to track it. So before you can do this, Google must need to verify your domain. So this one, they will need you to verify it via the DNS section of your website. You can use other method here like CNAME, but this is the recommended and simplest one. So what you need to do is copy this link. You can also highlight this. Then you copy it to your clipboard and go and paste it in the DNS record of your website. And for us to do that, we must need to log in to our cPanel dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to add this domain DNS record and ads.txt file on your website. So we are going to treat two different things in this tutorial today. So there are different types of TXT code. This one is ads.txt and this one is DNS record. You can see, and it is also a TXT code again. So what we are going to do is, if you go to this website like this and type ads.txt, you click enter, you will see my AdSense code here. You can see any website that is monetized using AdSense. If you go to the end of their website and type this link, they will bring you this page. So you can know their ID, publisher ID. This is their publisher ID, Google AdSense publisher ID. You can see it. And if you come to this website, this is the publisher ID of this website. This one is for razakdevelopers.com.ng. While this one is for fastnumber.com. This TXT ads.txt file is for fastnumber.com. So publisher ID differs from website to website. They are not the same. It is an ID. So what you are going to do is, you are going to log into my cPanel so that your own website can have this one. Let's all try this. razakdevelopers.com.ng. Copy it to the clipboard, paste it from the clipboard, and let's enter ads.txt. I know that it will not show up because we have not entered it. As you can see, this site can't be reached. Yes. So what we are going to do is, we go and log into our cPanel. And for you to log into your cPanel, the first thing you need to do is add cPanel at the front of your website. This is my website homepage. So we are going to add cPanel here. Any website, any WordPress powered website, if you add cPanel at the front of it, it will redirect you to the cPanel login details, login page. Then you click enter. You are automatically going to the cPanel. You can see. So this is my username, this is my password. I must click this I button in case you see it, and then we click login. So we are now logging to our cPanel. This is my cPanel. So what we are going to do directly now is to first of all add this AdSense code snippet to our website first. So their website is, to get your site ready to show ads, you should copy and paste the text below into each ads.txt file and upload to your site root directory. If you have an existing text, you should just copy the text into each file. You can see this is their instructions. So what you do is copy this one, then we are going to our cPanel here. So let's navigate to file manager. This is file manager here. If you have not seen it, maybe your sections are scattered, you come here and you type in file manager. Before you type it, it will come up. This is file manager. Click on it. So we are going to navigate to the public HTML here. You click on it. We have an existing ads.txt on this website already, and you can see this is it, ads.txt. This is the one that our website is using. We added it on November 1st 2022. That is probably 1 year ago. So for you to see it, you double click it. If you double click it, it will download. It has downloaded. You can see. Let's go and see it. This is it. It has been downloaded on our website, and it is the same with that, the one I showed to you at the earlier part of this video. So this is it is downloaded in your notepad. So what you are also going to do is to highlight all this. You cut it, then you go to this site here, you copy this one, then come back to your notepad here, then you paste it. You can see. So what you are going to do is next again is go to your file manager here. We are not going to delete this one, because if you delete it, it will affect fastnova.com AdSense. So what you are going to do is we go to file here and click this plus icon. That means you want to create a new file. Then click on it. You give it name. We are going to type ads.txt and see. So click create new file. The new file was being created. You can see it was created today 9:46 a.m. This is today, and it has 0 bytes, while the former one has 58 bytes because it contains other things. So this one, what you are going to do is right click on it, then you click edit. Disable, don't listen to all this. What you go do next is click edit. So it has been open a new section for us to paste our ads.txt. So you right click it because we have it on our clipboard already. Then you click paste. It was been pasted already. See? So come here and click save changes. I'm not going to click save changes here because if I click it, it will disrupt this website. I'm not going to click it, so we are going to close it now. If it is your own, you give it like this and it will automatically change everything. This is how to add a Google AdSense add.txt file on your website for you to verify your account. This is how to do it. So once you have done that, you click I have published the add.txt file, then you click verify. Then Google AdSense team will start verifying your website, your domain. This will not let Google AdSense to automatically approve your account. What you just did is to claim that you are the true owner of the website. So other people can use people website to monetize, then they'll be getting money. So Google does not want that fraudulence. So he created this medium so that you can be able to find out the verification method on your website. If you can be able to log into your cPanel of your website and add this code, then that means you are the owner of it. Other people cannot give you their domain cPanel, their website cPanel login details, and to make changes for them. It's not going to be possible. So if you can be able to get access to website cPanel and add this code there, that means automatically you are the owner of the website. Then they will start reviewing your website. If your website is good for their partnership, then they will accept. The next thing we are going to do now is we are going to copy this TXT record below into the DNS configuration for domain.fastnova.com. You can see DNS means domain name server. So we are going to log in to our cPanel again. log into your cPanel. This is it. So what you are going to do is domain, because this one refers to domain, verify domain ownership. So we are going to type domain here. And see, this is domain, create, manage and delete multiple domains. Domain was being opened. These are the available domains that we have on FastNova. Domain.fastnova.com. This is the one we want to add a DNS TXT file on it. So what I'm going to do is, let's go back to our cPanel, navigate to the domain section. This is the image section, database section, domain section. This is it. And click zone editor. Click the zone editor. So I have, so we click, this is FastNova here. We click add record. Once it has opened, we click manage here. Zone records for fastnova.com. So we are going to click add record here. There are different types of records, so we are going to click add records. So enter the valid zone name. So what you are going to do is, we copy this link, we paste it here and paste it. This is the TTL, time to load. It means time to load, time for it to load, because here, if you come here, they will also tell you that note, DNS changes may take some time to apply. If Search Console doesn't find a record immediately, wait a day and then try to verify again. Even Google Search Console itself told you this one. You should have to wait for at least 1 day. So we are going to give it instruction that it should load 1200 seconds. That means after updating here now, in the next 1200 seconds, you can calculate it, how many minutes is that, then your website's domain name will be verified. So the type here is, we are going to select TXT. The text here is where you add the TXT string to record. So we are going to go back here, then we copy it. It has been copied. Copy, come here like this and you paste it here. This is the TXT code. So next, what we are going to do is, we are going to click save records. Save record. We're going to save. You can see their warning. And this is their success. You successfully saved the following TXT record for fastnova.com. This is the warning. Please keep in mind that the changes to DNS record will require some time to propagate throughout the network. It usually takes about 30 minutes, so do not hesitate to contact them via live chat or ticket if you have any further questions. So you have to wait for it to propagate. Let's find them from here. You can see it is not here yet because it has not been propagated yet. These are the propagated one. This is the TXT code. You can see Razak developers.fastnova.com. This is the TXT. This one is good. So these are the examples of files on my zone editor website. So once you have done this one, then you go back to Google console here and you click verify. Then they are verifying. Ownership verification field, verification method, domain name provider. Field reason, you couldn't find a verification token in your domain TXT record. So you have to wait some time because it takes a while to appear. Please wait a few hours. You have to wait. So what I'm going to do is click OK. We are going to wait now. So we are going to click verify later so that you can be able to come in the next hour, in the next day, to come and verify it. Once it has been verified, you will see the verified domain name here. This is fastnumber.com. I have verified it already. This is one link I've verified. All those ones already I've verified them. And this is the one we just added, domain.fastnumber.com. It's still not verified yet. So you click this domain property. Maybe the next day that you want to verify it, you come here again and click verify. Very soon, once this website zone editor has propagated your domain name, then it will automatically pick up. So this is how to add a TXT record or code on your website via cPanel without installing any plugin. If you know that this video has helped you know how to add a TXT code on your website to verify the ownership via DNS record, or add an ads.txt file on the website, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Give this video a like and comment with any question you have to ask. Maybe you want me to create a video for you on how to add a TXT code of any company on your website. You just comment with it below via the comment section. I'll be glad to help you via the comment section. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you.